Asema mi beken menim say enye obi ana ni beje but uyo obi a was subscribe to my channel for a very long time. I was so who say me no bibisa na emfa me ho. I will say what I want to say and what I feel is right. That's what I'll talk about. Endra enumre Kennedy Japan ebetena na 2 ekeka nsem, yes, nsem ni mi di bia bremo. I'll even bring you more because a democrat friend me say yes nsem Kennedy Japan kan no womwati na they are waiting for my analysis on it because one say nsem a wakan na doso nti me fa baako na ma tretre mu na yabo ma fa baako a tretre man tin crofo atrem say they are waiting for my analysis me de beba. So far the next one I made the beba Kennedy Japan allege say will be nim and Florence will be nim ni nuaba die like okay can healed allegations be. Now what I want to tackle in this podcast any Kennedy Japan atem di dia wodi ebedi Florence will be nim. I know say Kennedy Japan has a lot of lovers. Time bia wodi asem beba betu dwa bia no nkrofo e believe no just because it is from Kennedy Japan. Even though sometimes for December later we be investigation we will say asema Kennedy Japan they buy idea we yenhye dan ne krenhye dan, but largely no most of nsema wo de ba no na ne krebi ewo minti no a lot of people believe him I was saying bia wo beka, and I don't have a problem with that because people believe whatever they want to believe. And oko social media obi nim trendy Kennedy Japan and kasa wo trendy just because yesterday he came and exposed Obinim. I don't have a problem with Kennedy Japan exposing Obinim, but while he was exposing Obinim, no, he was seriously insulting Florence Obinim. So, wo beti wo kasaka kra no say Florence Obinim, you are a foolish woman. Wo kasaka kra no say Florence Obinim, we Jimmy. Wo kasaka kra no say Florence Obinim, you are a cheap woman. Wo kasaka kra Florence Obinim, you are stupid. Okasaka kra Florence Obinim, you are foolish. Just say Florence Obinim there. Ye can attend the dear pan there. Nekre what GB pan e wo Kennedy Japan ho. Florence Obinim G attend the dear e wo Kennedy Japan ho. Now, today the question I want to ask, na menim say friends of Kennedy Japan, mo president 8 mo president e wo me number. Na assembly me pese wo frɛ na wone me ye kasa efa ho. Friends of Kennedy Japan, some of you have my number. Mon friend me. Na yenka sanfa asem ne ho. The question I want to ask all of you and say dear na Florence Obinim di aye Kennedy Japan or Kennedy Japan aiding attempts are. Maybe I am saying this wrong because of the principles I have. And one of my principles and say wo bad dear media or me pese me di obi atem just say me pese me to me nsabo obi ana me ye we ya oba dear me yifrim. Into oba ye me bone kra eye den say me di oba na tem, but that is based on me my principle. That is personal. Ebia wo bi be na nyu say emfa ne ho oba ye ne bone a wo be di oba na tem eye nipa ko ne dia, and I don't have a problem with that. But Florence Obinim the entire Kennedy Japan aiding attempt, no, that is what I don't understand. Why is Kennedy Japan insulting Florence Obinim? You are exposing Nick Kuno. We don't have a problem with that. Adentia ena wudi na tem. Na mo amotie mi amo support Kennedy Japan. Se mo be ka ne krepa. Mo mbisa mo ho ebo mumu. Se Florence Obinim edien ena wodi aye Kennedy Japan and Kennedy Japan edi na tem. And then let me explain the matters. Edien ne si ye. Dientia ena ende Kennedy Japan wodi Florence Obinim atem. Asem nini. Kennedy Japan ba bonten ebe expose Obinim. Se Wobinim famba onimba chese wonimba da wa ware nso wone ne mba da no na Florence Obinim eba abonte beka say wono mpo de na nko beso obekasa wa asem ne ho eye nikunu ene honorable ene nya wono Florence Obinim no wo pe honorable asem ye pa na enkrofo ka kire wono Florence Obinim ne say wonja ya ware because Kennedy Japan aba be expose nikunu no say nikunu ene mba da ewechi. And Florence Obinim ka say oh Se me kunu ene mba da wechi kra na Kennedy Japan aba be expose me kunu na fine. Kennedy Japan na wo expose me kunu no wo no Kennedy Japan ne kra no wo mba 19 na ne mba 19 no enya wone ne yere ba akope ena ewo ye wone other women awu wechi wo no Kennedy Japan na nkasa kra no ne yere enjai aware ye. It is a wo ka tre me say me kunu cheat ntimi enjai aware a nipa ko wo expose me kunu ne kra ne yere enjai aware ye, whilst we all know say nipa ko no so wa fa ne yere cheat several times. No, you can't tell me say me enjai me kunu. And as some of Florence Obini Mika, no, it makes perfect sense. Unless we be a why wadrin say what dear udo biama to the point say one can the crane train nipa chrono. It makes perfect sense. What Kennedy Japan who's exposing Obini say one encro for air that way chino ne crack or your nipa one encro for that way chabaka so your soft winter nipa so yes Matthias here because of the standards we give to pastors in this town. Matthias here. But my men say won't jai ni kunu no because of that. Say ni kunu no and then crofo that kra won't jai because ni pakra won't say mi kunu ni din air treme and crofo kasa me fa enam so enjai mi kunu no kra no. Uni pakon ne kra no. You have been on record. Say won so wa for uyiri echi several times. Inti ya den na mehwe asema wo council inti me say mi ko jai mi kunu. Na ne tresa me kra me jimi. Asema Florence Obini Mka no perfect sense. Perfect sense. Ehwa Kennedy Japan about bontin ebe di Florence Obini matem. If you have something against Florence Obini, now per se exposing her. Expose her without the insult. That's my problem. Don't think say Ebia I am speaking for Florence Obini mo. I am not, because me anka sama bo recording na Ghana phobi expose Florence Obini. And an someone Ghana phone bi mo ekan ye no. I sided with Sansem no. But second the Japan will be exposing Florence Obini now who did not because she has said something that is truer. Then that is not right. Emma who can the Japan crab on Tebecas and the crack. San 19 now Florence Obini make us all 19 the Kenyan 1922. Now Kaya Florence Obini say the last time I will not say Kennedy Japan airboard the number of Nemano what's in 19 Ebia Nasi and Kennedy Japan Dibiaka home. And I can Japan Gasababon to say yes, Sisi and Mba 22, not to say what the 3 account. Yatias yet. So calling Florence Obini foolish woman, insulting her, she is cheap. With Jimmy, why you say, Udin Atemno, that is where I don't understand. And this is not about say, you are a supporter or a fan of Kennedy Japan, so you support whatever Kennedy Japan does. This is not that. We all follow Kennedy. The people who follow Kennedy Japan, no. Omo wo mudi Kennedy Japan echinia. Me to me tell say over 70%. The reason why they like Kennedy Japan and they are supporting Kennedy Japan is because they feel say Kennedy Japan says the truth. He speaks for the person without speech. Obi I want to mean kasa for the voiceless. People like Kennedy Japan because they feel say assembly wobeba bekana nekre whether it goes in favor or it goes in his favor or not. The very simple question. Me person munia mo frame na mo demo answer ebeba. I don't want you to deviate. So what person frame now kasa wa asem we so a I don't want you to deviate. Just asema ya kano. Just go straight on Sassem no. Adentia ena Kennedy Japan edi Florence Obini matem e friend the foolish woman. Edi natem here and there adentia. Adentia. Is there something behind the scenes we don't know? Because as far as we know, Florence Obini just came out to say the truth. Was he mean Jamiknu? And no one ya na odi bedi na temo ana said then. It now we expect say oba ebe exposing the kunu na won gina de wo kan so enka say ane me jai me kunu. Who will do that? Who will do that? Yan fa ne say wo be a kronfo. Na ni pakuna wo ya kronfo no. Sebe ne yere enjai ne ye. Ne yere nim say wo ya kronfo. Ne yere enjai ne ye. na sa nipa ko na wo ye kronfo no wa baba be ka kyerɛ say wo kunu so ye kronfo nti gyan no sabe aseme na wo be bi se nipa kron wo be bi sa no say se wo so ya te se wo ye kronfo nti ade na wo de wo ye renjaa wo ye wo be ka se me kunu de me gyan no. You understand? So it is a simple scenario Florence Obinim de betu ja. Se nipa ko wo ka se me ofa mechi no. Okay, yes, wo ofa mechi. O de Matthias wo ofa mechi. But then am wo ka se me njai no. Because nipa ko wo de betu ja and that woman mu nia mo believe say me kunu e fa mechi no. Say nipa ko ne kan it is known. So wa fa ne yiri echi several times but ne yiri njai ne ye. Inti ade na me njai me kunu se wakofa mechi asemu ya wokan enti e na ye di na temsa. And if you also see that there is something wrong with asema Florence Obinim ekanya, then you are even not truthful to yourself. Then you are not truthful to yourself. Not to say who you be and won't penetrate. Not to say Kennedy Japan now will say will support all supporting no, who supporting the crack kwa. Who supporting the kwa. Me yobia. Me, I don't play sides. Kennedy Japan, ya papa, me can't me betina has say a praise Kennedy Japan. And I'm so that a lot of people are donating. Kennedy Japan a shas here, the donation, 200,000 PPA not the man. Where ya papa, ya bona baso. What can't some near who is a same way Kennedy Japan hacking about more, ya bona baso. But and then dear, why ye dear? What can't say be bravo Obinim one? And no, I can't defend Obinim. Eji Obinim nankasa be defending him because two ways. It could be that someone can Japan they can a cre and a entro two ways. Into Eji Obinim nankasa be defending him. Ne ya she ne de no so akasa. But attended dia wodi di Florence Obinim no and na menti ase. Etina ni TV so di Florence Obinim atem e di na tema enye easy. That is what I don't understand. Friends of Kennedy Japan and people close to Kennedy Japan, if you can explain to me why your man is insulting Florence Obinim, please, I am waiting. One try your comment box, me that's it.